Well, today we're going to talk about something, a little history first.
Welcome to Doug's Urban Garden.
We're going to talk about gold. Gold was discovered in the Yukon Territory of Canada in 1896. It was discovered on the Bonanza Creek, which is a part of the Klondike River. Now, what happened? There was a gold rush, and everybody went to Yukon Territory, Canada, to mine for gold. In 1898, the gold in the Yukon Territory, Canada, was depleted, ran out. But the gold was again discovered in Alaska. So what happened? Everybody went to Alaska, all the way up to Nome, Alaska, to search their fortune and dig for gold. In fact, a little humor, there was a movie came out in 1960 called North to Alaska that talked about the Alaskan gold rush. Now, how did this potato come about? Well, at the university in Ontario called Guelph, Guelth, a gentleman by the name of Gary Johnson took a North America white potato, crossbred it with a yellow Peruvian potato, and came up with a gold skin, golden flesh potato. And he called it the Yukon potato. And because everybody remembered the Yukon gold rush, they attached the name gold. And it's been known as the Yukon gold potato ever since. Now, this is a new potato. It really wasn't introduced until 1960 when it was developed, but it really didn't come to America in any large quantities until 1968. So we're talking about a relatively new species of potato. I was doing some reading and I came across some important information I think you will like to know. For years, people looked at potatoes as a starchy, carbohydrate, no value vegetables. But new nutritional facts have come out. Let me take a minute. I think you'll enjoy them and learn a lot. These are the nutritional facts about potatoes. Potassium. 18% of your daily requirement of potassium is in an average sized potato. In fact, there's more potassium in a potato than in a banana. It also helps with heart health, blood pressure regulation. It also has vitamin B6, a key factor in energy metabolism. Fiber, 2 grams of fiber in every average sized potato when you consume it with the skin. Vitamin C, one potato has 45% of your daily requirements of vitamin C. Antioxidants, it's higher in antioxidants than broccoli, cabbage, or tomatoes. It also has thiamine, iron, magnesium, and phosphate. A plain boiled or baked or mashed potato is very low in carbohydrates. In fact, it only has 110 calories for a medium-sized potato. And how did potatoes get all this bad press, bad nutritional values? It's not the potato itself, it's the butter you put on it. It's the cream cheese, the cheese, all these other things you put on your baked potato that raises the carbohydrates and lowers the nutritional values. So let's go out to the garden and let's get digging for some gold.
Thanks for coming by, and happy gardening!